So replenishment will start from behind. After done your replenishment, so for the replenishment of the bottle is slightly different. When you pull out, you put until the bottom. For the last unit, you will have some difficulties in putting the item. You will think this here block you. So you just like this, and then like this. You shouldn't put like this. You should put like this. This is my box strings. The way you replenish, some people may put like this, but we really recommend you put like this compared with this, as this angle will coming out while this angle is not coming out. So it should make like this. We will recommend to put like this instead of put like this. So you can see the difference is the leg is coming out and the leg is not coming out.